Okay, so we just arrived. The customer is not on site, but their nanny let me in. They got a boiler for heating. All this stuff work. It goes under the crawl space to provide for that side of the house. And I found the air handler is back that way. Let me get a flashlight on. Back that way. Let's see what their complaint is. Okay, just spoke with the customer over the phone. He states he smells a burning electrical smell from the air handler unit. So we probably got a bad blower motor. Well, let's dive into it. Okay, got the unit on. Turn the disconnect off. We're gonna check this capacitor. I don't even know what it's rated for. Let me see. I can't see that. We're working with a 12.5 microfarad. It's rated for 12.5 and we're only getting 10. So we got bad capacitor and this blower motor. Let's see. Let's see what happens when we turn this unit on. Okay, so got the jumper on. Let's see what happens when we flip this. So the blower motor does work, but I do get a smell from it. Yeah. So I'm going to get that blower motor replaced, the capacitor replaced. Let's see what's going on outside as well. No, I just took a look at that blower wheel. That thing is filthy. Of course, it's not gonna have a good motor if it's trying to spin that wheel being that filthy. All right, so just found a condenser. This thing does not look like it's ever received a maintenance on it. We got some type of animal trap down there. Jesus, look at these coils. We got a 22 unit. Okay. What are the breeze inside of it? Disconnect is on. These crappy gloves. Let's open her up. Oh my god. It's been a animal living in here at one point. We got some charring on the contactor. Let's get this capacitor tested. It's the 40x5. As soon as I pull the disconnect, Jesus. Oh my god. Let's go find a breaker. Alright, so she should be a 40x5. Let's see what we got. 39.65 by 4.95. She's good. She's a good capacitor still within range. But that contactor's a little charred up. That disconnect needs to be replaced. And the system needs a maintenance immediately. Alright guys, so we're going to be replacing the motor. Got the new motor. This thing is disgusting. That's disgusting. We're going to get it cleaned up. New capacitor is going to be put on. So let's get this done. Okay, so we got the blower assembly cleaned. It's drying up. And we got the new motor mount head. This needs to be installed. While we wait for the blower assembly to dry, let's go do the disconnect and contactor, coil cleaning of the condenser. Like a little jungle. Dirty coils. It's all dirty inside here. Bad contactor. Well, it's pitted. And bad disconnect. Got stuck in there. Alright, got the new disconnect put up. Breaker's still off inside. New contactor. I have time to clean this coil and put that blower motor back in. Alright, we got her all nice and clean. She's just got to dry out now. And let's go put that blower motor in. Alright guys, so we got the blower all nice and clean, mounted, installed, wired up. Now let's test it. Alright, she was actually running backwards, so I flipped the rotation. Now let's take an amp draw on this motor. Running with an amp,